northbound at Pitts, speeds 91. Tango 76, what's the return on the tag? Tango 76, approaching Northridge, 85 miles per hour. Speed 85, traffic medium. Approaching Northridge, getting over to the right. Continuing past Northridge, still speeds 85. Tango 76, do you have a return on that? Tennessee tag, Bravo Romeo Juliet 9765. Tango 76, I'm clear. It's displayed on a black Wagoneer. My charges are reckless driving. He's getting on the right shoulder right now. Speed's 83. Tango 76, Rise, Roswell, approaching there. Speed 100. Tango 76, which my closest unit? If it opens up, I can set up for a pit. Just your location. Clear. We're approaching Holcomb Bridge. Taking 76. It looks like you might be taking Holcomb Bridge past Roswell. Taking 76. A firm. Holcomb Bridge. Taking Holcomb Bridge. Turning right on Holcomb Bridge, eastbound. Alright, we're continuing through Market Boulevard, straight through Market Boulevard, still eastbound. Speed 60, we're going east of Old Alabama, continuing through Old Alabama. Traffic is medium, going to light. Continuing. Alright, passing Holcomb Woods Parkway, still eastbound. Speeds 95, still eastbound. Passing Martin's Landing Drive. Drive the supervisor, that's clear. I'm sorry, I think I walked over him earlier. We're still eastbound. He hasn't gotten anybody else's lane or oncoming traffic. I'm continuing for now. Speeds right now are 50, 51. Alright, I'm setting up for a pit. Block male driver. Alright, we're going through Evans, turning left on Evans, northbound. Failed pit, no contact made. Alright, we're north on Evans, that's left, north on Evans. No traffic, setting up for another pit. We're going to turn right on Scott. Correction, left on Scott. I have contact, left on Scott. That is left on Scott. It's back westbound. Okay? Westbound, left on Scott. Traffic is light. Setting up for another pit. back at Holcomb Bridge. Going right. It's back westbound Holcomb Bridge. Pit, 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 pit. Hey, let me see your hands. Hands. Get out of the car. Get out. Get out. Get out. Get out. I see one occupant. Get out of the car. Show me your hands. Get out of the car. Hey, I'm in front. I'm not walking in front of him.
I got both hands. I got both hands.
Hey, I'm coming to you, okay?
All right.
Hey, I'm doing something. Just hold him, okay? Coming to you, coming to you. I still only see one. All right, you're lethal, you hear? Hey, if you move, bro, if you move, you're done. Ready?
I'm not moving.
Step out. Get out of the car.
Step out of the car. No, you
You're
bring me out the
lethal.
car.
You're lethal.
Yes, gotcha.
Lethal.
Gotcha. You bring me out the car. Step out of the car. I don't want to
You're
get
left.
shot, so you bring me out the car, sir.
Step out of the car.
Do not move, you hear me?
Sir, I'm not moving.
Do not move.
I'm not resisting. I'm not moving. Period.
Open the door. With your right hand only. Open the door.
No, sir.
Open the door now.
Sir.
Open the door now.
Hey, I'm a holster. I'm a holster.
Sir, I can't get the door. Okay.
I got arms.
Oh my God, y'all got to go through all this just to get the door?
Get out and on the ground. Out and on the ground. Out and on the ground.
On the ground. On the ground.
Oh, I got it. You made a mistake of driving through Sandy Springs.
149 dispatch, we've got a wrong way driver, 35 eastbound. I'm behind it in pursuit.
What's your code 35 or mile markers?
Mile marker 38, 35 eastbound. Speed's a 76. Traffic is light.
Are there any other cars that can serve that way? 46, hold on. You're good.
We're still going to be 35 eastbound, wrong way. Speed's 90.
Central 1, what charge is will take over? You're fine. Still going to the east zone, speed about 90, traffic light. West side.
149, if I get the chance, I'm going to attempt to ram him. Stop.
We're going to be passing at Main Street, Jefferson Street, exit. We're going to be taking the on-ramp off the Main Street, Jefferson Street.
I'm the passenger! I'm the passenger! I didn't do nothing!
Fucking shit.